In laboratories or workplaces, accidental chemical spills can happen at any time. Upon discovering a spill, the first step is not to clean it up immediately, but to retrieve the nearest spill kit and bring it to an upwind location of the spill site. When opening the kit, the first items we see are not absorbents, but personal protective equipment, PPE. Strictly follow the procedure. First put on protective gloves, then safety goggles. Take out the absorbent socks from the kit and place them around the perimeter of the spilled liquid to quickly build a circular containment barrier. This prevents the spill from spreading further and locks the hazard within a controllable area. Take out the absorbent pads and gently place them over the contained liquid surface. These pads have strong absorption capacity, quickly absorbing the liquid and locking it inside. After absorbing all visible liquid, place used absorbents and contaminated PPE into the disposal bag provided. Seal and label according to site regulations. From discovery to disposal, a standard spill kit offers a complete solution. We offer chemical spill kits in 25L, 58L, 80L, and 120L sizes to meet the spill risks of different scenarios. Used correctly, it protects both you and the environment. Contact JXY today and be ready for any spill before it happens.